How to upload YouTube Shorts like a pro in 2026. Shorts video uploading in 2026. We'll cover everything from strategy and filming to uploading, SEO, analytics, and trends you must follow and avoid. I'll challenge standard assumptions, point out what works now and what no longer does. Why Shorts matter in 2026. Short-form video has exploded. YouTube's dedicated Shorts format is no longer a side feature, it's a key discovery engine. According to recent data, Shorts can drive major growth for channels. Here are 3 major reasons to prioritize Shorts. 1. Massive reach. The format is designed for mobile, vertical viewing, rapid consumption and high scroll-through. It offers a chance to be discovered by people outside your current subscriber base. 2. Low barrier to entry. You doesn't need a full production studio. As official help pages note, you can record, edit and upload from your mobile device. 3. Leveraging into long-form growth. Using Shorts smartly can lead viewers to your longer videos, helping build your audience base and improve channel health. But caution, some old advice, posting every day, chasing virality alone, is now outdated in 2026. Quality plus relevance matter more than sheer volume. What's new in Shorts for 2026? If you follow old YouTube rules, you'll fall behind. Here are some key updates you must consider. 1. The max duration for a short has been extended, videos up to 3 minutes now qualify in some cases. 2. Editing features within the YouTube app are becoming more advanced, filters, stickers, AI-assisted tools. See news about upcoming editor upgrades. 3. Algorithm focus. It's less about how many and more about how well and how the viewer engages, watch time, retention, interaction. The platform values viewer satisfaction. So your approach must be modern, not just upload randomly and hope. Step by step, how to upload YouTube Shorts like a pro in 2026. 1. Plan your content. Define your goal. Do you want to attract new subscribers, promote a product, build brand awareness, or drive traffic to a longer video? Know your audience, what hooks them in the first 2 to 3 seconds. What kind of content do they like? Funny, educational, behind the scenes, quick tips. Choose the right topic. As guidelines suggest, high-impact topics for Shorts include quick how-tos, before/after shots, trending hooks, or repurposed long-form segments. Structure it for 9:16 vertical format. Ensure you're shooting vertically. The vertical orientation, aspect ratio 9:16, is key for the Shorts feed. 2. Record the video. Use a mobile device or a camera that can shoot vertical. Make sure lighting is good, natural light or a simple ring light can be enough. Keep the hook in the first 2 to 3 seconds, you must catch attention quickly. Keep it short and punchy, even if allowed up to a few minutes, shorter often performs better if it keeps viewers engaged. Use a steady shot, tripod or stable hand, clear audio, and clean framing. 3. Edit for impact. Use editing tools, either within YouTube or via other apps, to add captions or text overlays. Many people watch on mute. Filters/color grading to make it pop. Engaging transitions or quick cuts if appropriate. YouTube's own upload guide recommends adding hashtag Shorts in description or title to help classification. Insert a subtle call to action, subscribe for more, watch full video, or comment below. Consider trending sounds or music, but ensure licensing/compliance. Keep file size and length manageable. 4. Upload via mobile or desktop. 1. Mobile. Open YouTube app, tap plus create a short or upload vertical video. Select your video, edit if needed, then fill in title, description, thumbnail, if possible, audience settings. Make sure to include keywords, tags, and probably hashtag Shorts in title/description, although YouTube often auto-detects. Choose visibility, public, unlisted, private, and schedule or publish. 2. Desktop. Go to YouTube Studio, upload video, select vertical video up to allowed time. Add title, description, tags, select playlist, thumbnail. Ensure you clarify it's vertical and under the duration cap. Make sure in description you mention hashtag Shorts or similar so it qualifies for the Shorts feed. 5. Optimize for SEO and discovery. Title: use a compelling, keyword-rich title. Keep it short, but clear what it is. Description: first few lines count, include your main keyword, quick summary, and a call to action. Tags: use relevant tags, shorts, your topic, category. Thumbnail: although for shorts the thumbnail may matter less, a clear image can still help in channel view. Playlist: add your short to an appropriate playlist so YouTube shows it in relevant places. Engagement prompts: ask a question in caption/description. Engagement, likes/comments, helps visibility. Timing: post when your audience is most active. The best time may vary, so check your own analytics. 6. Promote and drive interaction. Share the short link on other social platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, to kickstart views. Respond to comments quickly to boost engagement. Follow up with related content, another short or a long-form video, to build momentum. Experiment with trending topics and formats, remix features and interactive tools help. 7. Monitor, analyze and iterate. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, watch time, average percentage viewed, subscriber gain, traffic sources. Which shorts drive the most new subscribers? Which drop off early? Use this insight to refine. Maybe your hook isn't strong enough, your topic isn't resonating, or the length is wrong. Avoid chasing viral alone. Sustained relevance and audience connection matter more. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Rubber stamping long-form video into shorts without editing or trimming thoughtfully. 2. Ignoring the vertical format or shooting horizontal and expecting it to perform well. 3. Posting randomly with no schedule, no strategy. Quality and consistency beat solely quantity. 4. Neglecting viewer retention. Even if you get views, if people leave after 2 to 3 seconds, algorithm may penalize. 5. Using outdated tactics, e.g., solely focusing on upload every day without regard to value. Those strategies are fading. Strategy tips for 2026 growth. 1. Mix short and long form. Use shorts as a funnel into your main content. A short previews or teases a longer video. 2. Trend jacking with care. Keep an eye on trending music, challenges and format styles, but adapt to your brand and audience rather than copying blindly. 3. Batch create. Plan and shoot multiple shorts in one session to stay consistent. 4. Series format. Launch a weekly short series, e.g., tip of the day in 30s, viewers know what to expect. 5. Cross-platform repurpose. Use the same vertical clip on YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, if you use it, but tweak for platform norms. 6. Branding. Even in shorts, show your personality or branding quickly, logo, visual style, signature hook. 7. Respond to analytics. If your shorts are driving subscribers, lean into that topic/format. If not, pivot. 8. Monetization mindset. Shorts help with reach, but you'll still likely need a longer form strategy or additional monetization, merch, sponsorships, channel memberships, for channel income. If you want to upload YouTube Shorts like a pro in 2026, here's the takeaway. Plan with purpose, know your goal, audience, and topic. Shoot smartly, vertical, high-impact hook, good lighting, crisp audio. Edit with intention, add text, music, call to action. Upload and optimize, use keyword-rich titles, description, appropriate tags, playlist, and publish at a good time. Promote and engage, share outside YouTube, respond to comments, iterate based on analytics. Avoid outdated shortcuts, viral chasing alone won't win. Quality, viewer satisfaction, and consistent value will. By following this system, you'll position yourself not just to get views, but to build an engaged audience, boost your channel health and make your content truly discoverable. The landscape in 2026 demands more intelligence, creativity, and strategy, not just sheer volume. Ready to pick your first short topic and apply all these steps? So comment in below. I can help you map one out if you like.